This initial solution will show you how to create room on Facebook Messenger. To create a room for your phone, make sure you have the latest version of Facebook and Messenger mobile apps downloaded from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then follow the steps to create a room. Open the Messenger app, tap the People tab at the bottom right of the screen, tap Create a Room, and select the people who you want to join. To share a room with people who don't have a Facebook account, you can share the link with them. You can also share the room in your newsfeed, groups, and events. You can join a room from your phone or computer. No need to download anything according to Facebook. And that's how you can create a rooms on Facebook Messenger. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. Make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.